Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to control who can see your last seen status on Telegram for Android. Whether you want more privacy or just better control over your visibility, this guide will help you do that easily. Let's get started right away. Open the Telegram app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. Now, tap on Last Seen and Online. This section allows you to manage your visibility. Under Who can see my last seen time, choose one of the following options. Everybody. This means anyone on Telegram can see your last seen. My contacts. Only people saved in your contacts will be able to see it. Nobody. This hides your last seen from everyone. If you want to make exceptions, scroll down to Add Exceptions. Once you've made your selections, tap on checkmark at top right corner. Telegram will save your preferences. That's it. Now you have full control over who sees your last seen on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials.